I'm gonna show you my characters. Okay, let's go. This Benny. He's an Amus, like of the Lucky Day thing. Um, and this is El Benny. Next one. This is Ro. This is Runo Mas Mas. He's a legendary name. Is given in a name. His birth in 1970s. He's a famous. He's a famous thing. I love merch. To next, my character is this is Coco Daniel. He spelled Coco Daniel because why Chicken Gun says Daniel is a bad word. It's not a bad word. It's a name. Why did I spell a name and a bad word? It's not a nose. Okay, to the next character. This is Conchi Mop. He's friend with Coco Daniel because his hair, his hat same, his shirt same, his beak not same because he is a capitan. To the next character is this is Bobotsky is Handrel. He is a silly thing. To the next character is John Feria. He's look like gay Puff minus Puck. This is Puff Puck. No, this is Puff Puck. You didn't know. Look at his avatar. Yeah, that's Puff Puck. Puff Puck. Yeah. You're gonna stop. Please stop spinning. Look like John. Oh, I don't know. You look like shitty ass cuckoos. Oh my God, he's so silly too. His real name is Tony Puck. Tony Puck. Yeah, Tony Puck. Tony Puck. Yes, why did you call me Tony Puck? That's your real name. Look, perfect. Hello? Wait a minute. Wow, it's perfect, but when you're following him, it's not perfect. Okay, to the next image. This is Chick XXAN Coco, but they're so ridiculous for that. Chicks XXAN Coco, what you doing? Why you so big? I'm so big because I am fat. Oh, I know. And my eyes are burning because I am writing it. Oh, okay. To the next character. But before, we're gonna make character. We are gonna show all characters in part 2. Okay? See you guys.